Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can put a CSV file into Xero, so let's get started. Importing data like bank statements from a CSV file into Xero is handled through the specific accounts import function. To start, navigate to the accounting menu and select bank accounts. Then find the specific bank account you wish to import data into and click the Manage Account button. From the options that appear, select Import a Statement. This is the dedicated feature for uploading CSV files. On the import screen, Xero will prompt you to upload your CSV file. Ensure your file is correctly formatted beforehand, meaning amounts are in a single column with expenses as negative numbers and dates are consistent. After uploading, Xero will ask you to map the columns from your CSV to Xero's required fields, such as matching your file's date and amount headers to Xero's corresponding fields. Once you confirm the mapping, Xero processes the data, and the transactions will instantly appear in the Reconcile tab of your bank account, ready for matching and reconciliation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.